So you want to turn a direction into a unit length. That's normalize vector. Now normalize means you only keep the direction, not the distance. That way you can apply consistent speed no matter how far the target is. Now to get it, as you can already see, I brought it by typing normalize. And here I have for demonstration purpose, I have this node where I'm getting the character's location and then minusing it to 0, 0, 0, which is the object location which we are facing towards, and then we are normalizing it. And now if I press play, as you can see, we have value between 0 and 1, not above that, not below that, because it is showing us in which direction it is facing. It can go to minus and it will show you where you are exactly in the world. To more properly understand this, I have a yeah, like we can do this. So we are using this node to move around, as I already showed you in my previous tutorials. And here what we are doing is we are getting the actor's location and getting its forward vector, then getting the subtracted value from it and normalizing it. Now what will happen is, in whatever direction we are facing at the start of begin play, we will move only in that direction no matter what. Right now we are in plus x and plus y, so we are moving right forward. So if we go in the other side of the thing, which will be moving in left forward, as you can see in the screen, so we will move only in that direction no matter where we see. It will not take the other way around. Now we are going in the backward left side, so it will move only in that direction, as you can see on the screen. Yes, so it's super cool and it is super useful, but it's not used for this. I just showed you. So what is it actually used for? It is used for aiming or physics push or spawning effect exactly in the facing direction. It's also essential for moving, not in this way, but yeah, it's essential for moving as well. So, and hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.